But I mean, like, why you go and tell everyone in the group chat that I posted because you didn't want to hire me? That isn't true, you know.
Okay.
I mean, I posted it because it's the truth that you know about it, but.
No, I know. So what happened next was then I went back into the group chat and Tammy said, so who is this person? And some of the other bloggers asked, yeah, so who is this person? So I said, this person is Sean. I used to know him. And he's just upset because we didn't hire him. That's it. And then the conversation moved on already. Now, Sean, I understand you are unhappy about certain things, but like I said, the leak of the WhatsApp chat was not on purpose. We didn't do it. None of us did it. We're all victims. Yeah, yeah, your photo is there, but all our photos are there as well. You want me to take it down from Tumblr? I also want to take it down from Tumblr. I wrote a legal letter to Tumblr already. Tumblr says they need to wait. They need to see. Even my lawyers are sending things to Tumblr, requesting for it to come down. In fact, I think that the people that are in the chat got it way worse than you. No one's talking about your segment, Sean.
Yeah, I know.
I know. About, like, what?
I understand no one's talking about my segment anymore, but the thing is that my photo is there, you know, and then it's like everyone thinks I'm a loser or something, that I badmouth you just because you won't hire me, which is not true.
Okay, so work with me. Let's try to get Tumblr to take down the site. I also want Tumblr to take down the site.
Because I don't want my name and photo to be there.
In fact, we are the biggest victim of it all. We're the biggest laughing joke, you know. Yeah, all our photos are there. My photo is the number one person there. If I'm the creator, I confirm to it now, but I'm not the creator.
So you actually asked Shane to falsify the documents, right? Is it true?
You tell me, he said, let's say for example, we have 170,000 users. We go and tell the advertisers we have 180,000. This one sounds like it comes from me. 200,000, okay, sounds like it comes from me. But this one, every person, every marketer in the valley does it. You have 1,000 users. You will say there are 1,000 users left? You will say I'm growing to 10,000 users. Agree? I mean, yeah, correct. This one, I dare to say, I got to tell him. If we are at 170,000 users, I will tell him to say we are growing to 200,000 users. All these young boys after they come and meet me, don't humpty. You know what? You tell them, I meet them at their house. I'm scared what? I don't need scared of anything. I really say, Sean, last time that I was there, dare to say A, dare to do A.
Okay, I'm telling you, I dare to say that Shen Yi did say that you asked him to Photoshop a few things. I do not know, he doesn't want to disclose anything.
I will call him and I will ask him, what did you tell Sean? Oh, Sean, I'm very serious about this. I'm very serious. Simply because I'm telling you right now, that gas crop is my cleanest business.
I want